Hello Virgos, welcome to Sitaraka Safar. I'm your astrologer and Baksh. Today we'll take a deep look at how January 2025 will unfold for you based on your moon sign. These predictions are designed to guide you in all areas of life: financial, career, health, family, relationships, studies, and travel. Stay with us till the end to get the complete astrological insights. Let's get started. Financially, January 2025 is a month where you need to be cautious with your finances. Ketu in your first house is retrograde, so impulsive spending is to be avoided. There is a focus on financial strategy, keeping an eye on how your decisions may impact the long term. Jupiter in your ninth house, while retrograde, suggests that your bigger financial plans or investments should be carefully reevaluated. You may face delays in returns or some confusion in matters of expansion like long term investments, property, or financial partnerships. Now is a good time to research opportunities for passive income or look into ways to diversify your earnings. Avoid taking high risks during this month. Stability over spontaneity will benefit you. In the career field, January holds both opportunities and obstacles. Mercury, placed in your third house at the start of January, will push you to take action through communications. This is an ideal time to express your ideas and proposals. You will feel an increase in your work related communications, allowing you to push projects forward effectively. However, as Mars retrogrades in the 11th house, it is possible to face frustrations in group activities or networking opportunities. Be mindful of conflicts or communication breakdowns. If you're considering starting something new at work or a new project, it is better to take extra time to analyze it carefully. Hold off on taking big steps at work in the last week of January when Mercury combusts, affecting your career plans. Stay patient to avoid any unwanted misunderstandings. Let's talk about your family and relationships. The dynamics within your family may feel a bit volatile in January, especially as Mars retrogrades in the 11th house, which may stir up conflicts in your social circle. Personal relationships, friendships, and connections could feel challenging during the retrograde phases of Mars. For married Virgos, this is a time to carefully consider communication in your relationships. Be attentive to your partner's emotional needs. If there have been long standing issues, Moon in the fifth house will make you more sensitive to emotional tension. So be extra mindful of misunderstandings. Single Virgos may find this a favorable time for new connections, especially mid month. However, take your time to evaluate compatibility before getting too serious. A calm and patient approach will help ease tension in your relationships. Honest conversations with loved ones will clear up misunderstandings, leading to smoother emotional connections. Health wise, January presents an opportunity for Virgos to focus on mental and physical well being. Venus and Saturn are placed in your sixth house, highlighting the importance of health routines. You may need to incorporate discipline into your fitness or health routine to maintain equilibrium. Additionally, you might face minor physical ailments related to stress or tension. The moon's transit into your fifth house signals the importance of balancing your emotional health. Emotional clarity and mental health practices like meditation or yoga will be crucial for Virgo natives this month. Watch out for any seasonal illness. A well maintained diet and exercise plan will help you keep your energy and immune system strong. For Virgo students, January presents a mix of challenges and progress. Ketu's retrograde in your first house might lead to moments of confusion about your educational path or lack of motivation, but you'll also be more receptive to unconventional knowledge. Be cautious about distractions, as it may be tempting to veer off course. The sun in the fourth house will bring a focus on inner growth, making it an excellent period to refine your knowledge and skills. Taking a disciplined approach to your studies will benefit you in the long term. Mars retrograde in the 11th house could indicate challenges related to group studies, so try to avoid conflicts with your peers that could interfere with your academic progress. Stay focused and maintain steady effort. Study groups might not be very effective for you this month, so focus on individual preparation for the best results. When it comes to travel, January favors short term journeys. Rahu's retrograde in your 7th house might lead to delays or sudden changes in travel plans, especially related to business. If you're planning a personal getaway, mid January looks like the best time for a relaxing trip. Business travel or any long distance plans could face delays or unforeseen hurdles. Patience will be required for managing expectations during these times. Book your travels ahead of time to avoid last minute complications and ensure all the details are in place for smoother travel. And that concludes your January 2025 Virgo horoscope. Remember to focus on stability in your finances. Keep communication clear in your work and relationships, and maintain your health by balancing mental and physical well being. Don't forget to take advantage of opportunities that come your way this month, but be careful with major decisions as timing is key. If you found this reading helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. And if you're looking for personalized astrology insights or have any specific questions, reach out for a consultation with me through Sitara ka Safar. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for future horoscopes and astrological guidance. Stay positive, stay patient, and we'll connect next time. Wishing you a prosperous January.